One day you'll realize your mother was your first true love. Before the world knew your name, her soul had already accepted you. Her love wasn't taught, it was divine, flowing like a silent blessing sent straight from the universe. One day, you'll realize your mother was your first true love. In her prayers you were always the answer. She carried your pain in her heart and your happiness in her smile, as if God trusted her to protect a piece of heaven you. One day you'll realize your mother was your first true love. When life feels heavy and people change, you'll remember the warmth that never faded. Her love was pure, untouched by expectations, just endless, sacred, and real. One day you'll realize your mother was your first true love. And in that quiet realization, your soul will whisper gratitude, because the closest thing to God's love you ever felt was always right there, calling you, my child.